Swift Plumbers, customer number 2338. Problems with plumbing, water pipes, and sewer. Right here we have the kitchen. Going to the old copper, and they actually have 1 inch pipe for a kitchen, which is insufficient.
Yeah, I broke that out the other day to figure out what the hell he did.
Walk inside, and we have what you call I guess you'd call a repipe running through the ceiling using PVC, CPVC, you name it. We run across here to the kitchen. They ran it down the wall, and I think they'd run it in the wall. No, they run it outside the wall. Come down right next to the kitchen sink, and you go underneath. Come down, no shut-off valves. Very poor condition.
The only way you can drain it is pull the elbow off.
We come back here to another bathroom. This is back in the, I guess, an add-on to the house. There's a shower. Shower needs a new shower valve, cable tub drain.
Now they got a convoluted mess here too.
Toilet, outside wall. Sink, outside wall.
And this convoluted mess.
Got a water heater. Pipes coming off the water heater.
There's where it's coming out right there.
And then more crazy piping. What else we got?
They do have shut-offs right there.
Yeah. As a access to the water heater elements is inoperable. Put it sideways against the wall.
And this mess.
And then we have here a P-trap, something, pipe, laundry box. Craziness. That's one bathroom. Kitchen, yeah. We got 2 to go. 2 to go. There's Precious. That's the best thing in this house right now. Alright. One more back here, right?
Yeah.
Is it back here?
No, back there.
Back there.
Yeah. Water standing in the sink, won't drain.
Water in the sink, won't drain. Crazy old pipes up in there, corroded really bad. Toilet, old copper, and then shower with old 2-handle shower valve. Recommend replacing. And one more, right?
Come on, Angel.
Come on, Angel.
Come on. Come on, Alex. Come on, baby. Come on. That floor's so slick, she slides on.
One more, Angel.
Here's the bathroom. All that mess under here.
One more bathroom with the sink, toilet, tub, and this is on, I believe, outside wall with the entry.
And there you call it.
And here's another glorious plumbing
Whatever
nightmare, whatever it is they did there. More lovely, no shut-off valves, PVC, and it gets better, folks. You have more contraptions here. Bad. Alright, that concludes this video. Swift Plumbers, video 1 of 1. Needs whole house repipe the right way.